All right, that number 3. I'm glad you caught like the strumming stuff getting off there and you fixed it. So got a little rocky there near the end, but then you fixed it. So very good, very good. You're definitely getting the hang of this. That being said, that specific rhythm, or where in the rhythm things got a little iffy or challenging, we're going to focus on that for number 1. So just these two rhythms here, doing the descending stuff. Because when that rhythm happened twice in number 3, or technically number 2. And when you were moving a chord up, you're ascending, it went fine. It was only the descending thing. So we're just going to do all descending stuff here. End with the unique chord at the end. Very, very dissonant. But here we go. Number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4. So those are the fingers I like to use for that chord. You could do that, but because I'm so used to this, it just feels easiest to do those fingers. Alright. 120. 1, 2. Man, microphone seems a little loud. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, Whoops. What's going on here? There we go. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. $240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 2, new rhythm. This is in a 3/4 time signature, so just 3 beats per bar. A quarter note still gets the value of the beats, so we're just counting up 3 instead of 4. So the rhythm's the same the whole time. So once again, the top line has 8th notes tied together to show where all the down and up beats are more easily. And then down here, we just use the quarter note. Whoops, the quarter note instead of the tied 8th note. So this is basically always switching or going between 8th note, quarter note, 8th note, quarter note, 8th note, quarter note, over and over and over again. So this means the strumming pattern will always go down, up, down. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Well, that would be it fast. So yeah, down, up, down, down, up, down. So here we go. Count of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. 121, 2, 3. Take 2, 1, 2, 3. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. 180. And you're welcome to palm mute this stuff as well, especially at the fast speeds. I think it sounds pretty neat. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Terrible counting. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, number 3. Back to our octave shapes. And we're back to a 4/4 time signature. And the previous one and this is going to be leading into a slightly more challenging one for next time. So that 1 and 3, 1 and 3, really important. Get locked into that. That's how you're going to count this. Yes, it's 4/4, but if you look at it, the rhythmic pattern will begin the same way. It'll start over again after every 3 beats. So even though this is laid out in a 4/4 time signature, we're going to count it like it's a 3/4. So I'm going to change a little setting on the metronome here. Oop, that's not right. I forgot the hotkey for it. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so now it's in 4/4. I always have it set at 1/4, so it's the same sound for the click, and I'm not waiting for it to cycle through. But I want to show what it sounds like when I'm counting it like it's a 3/4 while the 4/4 cycles around. And I think it's this one. Yeah, we'll go with that sound. So without that, it's just going to sound like a regular old 3/4 thing. But this is going to tie into what comes next for next week. So the counting of it like 3/4 is to simplify the thinking process. And so basically what we have here is a polymeter. Polymeter means we got like two time signatures happening at once. So the strumming pattern is in a 3/4 time signature, but the bar is laid out as a 4/4 time signature. And I'll tell you what the next thing is next time. But again, this is all practice. You want to see it like this, see it laid out in the 4/4, but still count it like 3/4, and that's going to help with the more challenging thing coming up next. So here we go, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 3, 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 1 and 3. All right, 120. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 1, 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can do the same thing. Have your metronome set at 1 or 4/4, so you have an obvious. Can't think of the word I want to use. Accent. There we go. An accent on beat number 1, so it sounds like you are in 4/4. And so you get used to hearing like, yep, that's the distinct one. You know, that's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and you hear that going, and you hear that accent happening on the 1, while you are counting it as a 3, 4 while you strum that. So that would be a good thing to practice there. And I think that covers it. All right. Any questions come up, let me know, and I will see you again in your new videos.